Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about scrivenings in Scrivener 3 for Windows. You may not have noticed it, but when you're in an individual document, the View menu shows Document. But when you select a folder, or the whole manuscript, you go into Scrivenings mode. As with most things, scrivenings can be formatted differently, and you may well prefer what I'm about to show you. Go to View, Text Editing and Show Titles in Scrivenings. Select that and your scrivenings will show all the titles of files and folders in your manuscript. If you want to see the folder name only, as in chapter titles, go back into View, Text Editing and select Only Scrivener Titles for Folders. You can change some of the defaults for this setting if you wish, under File, Options, Appearance, Scrivenings. On the Options tab you can change the line dividers and various things about how the titles are displayed. Under Fonts you'll see you can change the title styles. You'll notice that nested titles have their font size reduced by 4 points each time. If you don't want this, you can change these settings too. Remember, these are only editing formats, they won't change your compiled file. And finally, you can change the colour of the title background and the title text from the default by clicking on each separately and then on the block of colour to get all your options. So, could this give you a better feel for how your manuscript looks? I quite like it. What do you think? Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.